Good morning students. Welcome to Sri Vidya Tutorials. So today I am going to discuss about atomic structure. Okay, I will explain only for MSET mark, so not total. Okay, so in this first one, basic thing, atom means what? Indivisible particles according to John Dalton. Okay, so next here, atom contains many fundamental particles. Okay, among them these three are very important, ma. So actually what are they? Electron, proton and neutron. So here these values are useful for problems. Okay, you have to remember. Here charge is electron charge in coulombs. C means coulombs. Minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Okay. So mass is how much? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg in kgs. Okay, next proton. So proton charge is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. So what is the difference here? Electron is negatively charged particle. Proton is positively charged particle. So value is same. Okay. So this is negative, this is positive. And mass of this 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay. Then last neutron. Charge of neutron is 0. So mass is how much? 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay, almost both proton and neutron having relatively same mass. Okay, if relative mass charge is taken as simply we can write minus 1. Electron relative charge we can simply write minus 1, and the proton is what, plus 1. Okay, so then atomic models. So generally atomic models are main three: Thomson model, Rutherford's model, Bohr's model. Okay, among them Bohr's model is important. Okay, so based on this we can explain hydrogen spectra. Okay, so next some of the formulas, then to go discuss about some formulas used in what this atomic structure. They are first, so nu is equal to C by lambda. So nu means what? Frequency of wave or radiation, light. Okay, C is what? Velocity of light. Lambda is wavelength. Okay. So generally here C value is, so velocity of light is constant. So how much in meters per second? The value of C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Okay. So next one, nu bar. Next formula, nu bar is equal 1 by lambda. That is equal to nu by C. In this nu bar is what here? Wave number. Nu bar is what here? Wave number. Given next formula, Planck's quantum theory. So according to Planck's generally, so radiation, okay, so emitted by small packets, small energy packets are called quanta. So quanta energy generally indicates with E. So E is equal what here? H nu. So nu is equal C by lambda. So when we substitute this, we can write Hc by lambda. So then E is equal to NH nu. Means here this N indicates what? N is principal quantum number. N values are also always whole numbers. Means 1, 2, 3 simple integers, not fractions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. So next here H is Planck's constant. H is called Planck's constant. Planck's constant value is 6.625 or 626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into seconds. Okay. So H is what here? Planck's constant. Always the value of H is what it is constant. 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into seconds. Okay, here N value mainly indicates what? Main shell number. Okay. So according to Bohr's, what here? Electrons revolves around the nucleus in circular paths, isn't it? So that circular paths are called main shells. Main shells are generally indicates with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. N value means that indicates shell numbers or orbits numbers. Okay, next here hydrogen, based on what here Bohr's. So we can explain hydrogen spectra. According to that, hydrogen spectra contains totally 5 series. They are Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, Fund. Okay, for Lyman series, you have to remember this N1 values. Okay, N1 is 1, So Balmer series N1 is 2. So here for Lyman series N2 is equal what? 2, 3, 4, etc. And region is ultraviolet region. Then next Balmer series N1 value is 2. So N2 values for this 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to infinity. So region is visible. Then Paschen series N1 value is what here? 3. Okay, N2 values are 4, 5, 6, etc. So region is what here? Near infrared region. Then bracket series, for bracket series N1 value is what, 4. So N2 values are 5, 6, 7 to infinity. It forms in which region? Middle IR. Okay. So then font series, for font series N1 value is 5. So N2 values are 6, 7, 8, etc. So it forms in for IR region. IR means infrared region. So actually different lines are. Here series means what? They contains lines. Okay. So means by using this equation, what is that equation? Rydberg equation. To calculate the what here? The lines, the wave number and wavelength of lines formed in different series. Okay. So this equation is called Rydberg equation. So what is the use of this mainly? So this equation, this formula is very important for EAMCET. If you observe previous question papers, so many questions are given in previous EAMCET papers based on this formula. Okay, this formula is very important, ma. So nu bar is equal 1 by lambda, that is equal to RH z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. In this here, nu bar means wave number of line. Nu bar indicates what? Wave number of line. Okay. Lambda is wavelength of line. So RH means Rydberg's constant. So Z is what? Atomic number. Z is indicates what? Atomic number. So next N1 means here for example to take Lyman series. For Lyman series N1 is how much? 1. So N2 may be what here? 2, 3, 4, etc. Next to take Balmer series. For Balmer series N1 is how much to take? 2 only. Okay. So N2 values are different. Okay. So here RH is Rydberg constant. So Rydberg constant value is always constant. How much? 109,677.8 centimeter inverse. Okay. This is about what? Rydberg equation. This equation is this formula is very important for problems. Okay, ma, we can do one question on what here? Rydberg's equation. Okay, see here. What is the question? The wave number of the first emission line in the atomic spectrum of hydrogen in the Balmer series. Balmer series first line. Okay, so means you have to imagine like this to take here shells. These are imagine 3, 4, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5. Okay, so Balmer series where so it forms what lines from so upper higher energy orbits towards second orbit, isn't it? Okay, so means here for example 5 to 2, 4 to 2, 3 to 2. So this 3 to 2 is the first line formed in what? Balmer series. So you have to understand first line means what? When electron jumps from third orbit to second orbit in which series? Balmer series. Okay, this is the clue. So means then N1 becomes what? According to this here, N1 is equal to already. So for Balmer series always 2. But here first line, so that N2 is equal how much here? 3. So first line means what you have to understand here. When electron jumps from third orbit to second orbit. Okay, that forms first line in the Balmer series. Okay, N2 is equal to 3. So here you have to calculate what amount? Wave number. So to use what here? Rydberg equation. What is that? Nu bar is equal to so RH into Z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, this is the formula. So here Rydberg constant given what? R. To take simply R. And here, so what? atom given. So atom spectra of what? Which atom? Hydrogen. So for hydrogen, Z is equal to what, Amma? 1. So 1 square, 1. And here 1 by N1 value is how much, Amma? 2 square minus N2 value how much here? 3. So 3 square. Okay. So R into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. So means to get what here? 36. So after calculation you will get what here? 5R by 36. Isn't it? So which option here? First option given. 5R by 36. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, Amma? Okay, Amma. So next question, see here. The wave number of the infinity line. So here, infinity line. So is Lyman series of hydrogen spectrum. So infinity line means so see, imagine lines here, orbits, shells. Okay. So n is equal 1, n is equal 2, n is equal 3. So like up to what? N is equal to infinity. So infinity lines means you have to understand. So the line or electron, when electron jumps from infinity to Lyman series means for Lyman series N1 value is how much, Amma? 1, isn't it? Lyman 1, Balmer 2, Paschen 3, isn't it? So means infinity line means you have to understand. So the line is formed by the jumping of electron from infinity to infinity shell to what here? First shell. So that for this N1, according to this N1 value becomes how much? 1. N2 is how much, Amma? Infinity. Okay. So then easy to substitute again. To take what here? It works. To use again it works equation, same formula but different concept. Somewhat different, isn't it? So nu bar is equal to again formula RH Z square 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So nu bar is equal here RH means again to take same R. Z means here hydrogen, again hydrogen given. So 1 square means 1. Okay. 1 by N1 square. N1 is how much for? 1 square minus N2 is how much? Infinity square means 1 by infinity is equal to what, Amma? 0, isn't it? So finally to get what here? R into 1 by 1 means 1 minus 0. 1, isn't it? So means finally to get what here? R. So which one is the correct option here? So second option given, R. So here wave number of infinity line in Lyman series how much? R. Generally infinity line means you have to ikkade meer ardham chesukovalsindi. So you have to understand infinity line means what? The line is formed by the jumping of electron from infinity level to first orbit. Okay, so that for Lyman N1 is equal 1, N2 is equal to infinity to take. Okay, finally to get here R. Okay, Amma. So this is one more question. Okay, Amma, continuation. Some more formulas used in what atomic structure. These are used for MSET. Okay. So radius of orbit. So R is equal formula 0.53 n square by z. Okay, in angstrom units. So value is what here? In which units? Angstrom units. Okay, 1 angstrom unit is equal 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters, 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. So to convert what in angstrom units here, radius is, you have to remember, R is equal 0.53 n square by z angstrom units. Here n means orbit number, it indicates means 1, 2, 3 like that. So here z is atomic number, R is radius. Okay, next formula is what here? Energy of an electron. So E is equal formula minus 13.6 z square by n square electron volts per atom. Electron volts per atom. Okay. So you have to consider this what unit also. In electron volts per atom here energy is how much? Minus 13.6 z square by n square. Again z is atomic number, n is what? Orbit number. So but same energy of an electron in joules per atom, what formula? So E is equal minus 2.18 into 10 to the power of minus 18 z square by n square joules per atom. So 1 electron volt is equal formula 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. For this is used for conversion, ma. So next one, excitation energy. For excitation, so to calculate by using this formula to calculate what energy. This is for ground state. Ground state means what here? N is equal to 1. So such state is called ground state. Okay. So by using this we can calculate generally ground state. Excitation means what? When we give some amount of energy to the electron present in ground state. So that absorbs that energy and gets excited into higher energy orbits, isn't it? So first to second, third is it. So such states is called excitation states. Okay, so for excitation, by using this formula to calculate the what here energy of an electron. What is that? E is equal to minus 13.6 z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. By using this formula we can calculate what here? So excitation energy. Okay, electron volts per atom. How? Generally first excitation. For example, in a problem to calculate what energy of first excitation. So first excitation means you have to understand what when electron jumps from here, ground state is, you have to remember, not 0. For ground state n value is 1. So when electron jumps from first orbit to second orbit, so that is called first excitation state. Second excitation means what? First to third, called what? Second excitation state. Generally already you know that energy for ground state what amount? Minus 13.6 electron volts per atom, isn't it? So for first excitation, how much we get here? To substitute in this simply, minus 13.6 z square by n1 value is 1 square. Okay. So minus 1 by n2 square, how much? N2 is how much? 2. 2 square, 4. So by calculation, simply want here to know that z square by n square. N means here how much? 2. 2 square. Okay. 4. So 13.6 by 4, how much to get here? For first excitation, so value is 3.4 electron volts per atom. Like that, 3 square. N is here 3. So 3 square. 3 square means to get 9. Simply to remember like this. Okay, excitation means what here? For ground state, energy is minus 13.6 electron volts per atom. For excitation means second orbit. For second orbit, how much here? Actually formed a z square by n square for hydrogen atom only. Okay, not for other atoms. I am explaining for hydrogen atom. So n square means here nth share here n is how much? 2. So means to substitute 2 square. First excited means what you have to understand. Electron present in second orbit. Okay, here n value to take what? 2. 2 square. Okay, 4. Then 3 square means 13.6 by 9. Okay, means simply we can write like this also. Simple formula. E nth orbit means excitation. Simply we can write E1 by n square. E1 by n square. So E1 means what? Generally here E1 value first ground state. How much? Minus 13.6 z square or minus 13.6 by n square. Minus 13.6 by n square. Okay, excitation means you have to understand. First excitation means 1 to 2. Second excitation means first to 3. Third means first to 4, like that. So, this is good pet column. This is important. What is the meaning of first excitation? So, second excitation, you have to understand that one. Okay. So, this is about what? Excitation, calculation of excitation of energy. Okay. Okay, my next formula for calculation of ionization energy. So, ionization energy formula IE is equal to minus of minus E. So, here E means what? Energy of an electron. So, energy of an electron and ionization energy is different. Simply, energy of electron has negative charge. Ionization energy has positive charge. Okay. So, means ionization energy is equal to 13.6 z square by n square. So, here units what? Again electron volt per atom. So, 13.6 z square by n square. So this is what calculation of ionization energy. Okay. So next one, velocity. So velocity of so by using this formula to calculate the what here, velocity of an electron, okay, around the nucleus. What is that formula? V is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 6 Z by N. So Z by N meters per second. Here Z means atomic number, N is what? Orbit number. Okay, ma? So we can do next one question on what here? So energy formula. See here, you have to read carefully. If the energy of the electron in the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is how much? E given. Okay. First orbit energy is E. The energy of, we have to calculate what? The energy of the electron in the first Bohr orbit. So orbit number for both N is equal 1. Okay. But here ion different. So what is that ion given? Li 2 plus. Okay. So actually formula into basic formula. So E is equal to, so actually minus 13 points means here first E given. So minus 13.6. So what is that given? So to take E. Okay. E into Z square by N square formula. Okay. For this what? For Li 2 plus. So Z square which Z is atomic number, isn't it? Z is atomic number. So what is atomic number of lithium? So మీకు దీంతో ఈ ఛార్జ్తో సంబంధం ఏంటి? So atomic number of lithium, cannot consider this charge, only to take what here atomic number. So atomic number of lithium is how much? 3. So 3 square. So E into 3 square by first Bohr orbit given. So means N is equal what here? 1. So 1 square. So E Li 2 plus is equal what we get here? 3 square means 9 E. So which one is the correct option? Second option. Okay, easy ma. So actually minus 13.6 given E for hydrogen. Okay. So in first orbit for in lithium also N value given how much? 1. Okay. But here Z means atomic number. So atomic number of lithium is 3. Isn't it? So that 3 square. So what we get here finally? 9A. So this is the option. Second option. Okay ma. So this is about energy. Okay. So we can do one question or one problem on about velocity to take. For example, okay ma. So next problem, see the velocity of an electron in the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. Its velocity in the second orbit. So first orbit velocity given. So to calculate what? Second orbit velocity. So what is the formula actually for velocity? Formula is V is equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6. 18 or 19. So Z by N. Okay. Here Z is atomic number, isn't it? So which atom given? Hydrogen atom. Means Z is equal to 1. Okay. So we have to calculate what? Second orbit. Means N value should be what here? 2. Okay. So what we get here to substitute? 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6. Z is 1 by, so N value is how much? 2. So after calculation, so we will get what? 1.09 into 1.09 into 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. Okay. So in this which option is correct one? So first option. So first option given. What is that value? 1.09 into 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. Okay. So this is the formula for calculation, isn't it? What is that? V is equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6 Z by N. In this question hydrogen atom given. For hydrogen atom atomic number 1. Okay. So N is equal to how much? 2. So we have calculate which orbit? Second orbit given. So that N is equal to 2. So to substitute in this formula, V is equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6 into Z 1 by, so n value 2. So after calculation, you will get 1.09 into 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. So which one is correct option, Amma? First option. Okay, Amma. So please like, share and subscribe to Sri Vidya Tutorials. Okay, Amma. Thank you.